is Mary Svatlinka. I want to thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe down below, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And again, my name is Mary Svatlinka. I am from Nebraska, a single mother. I am raising a 12-year-old daughter still at home and looking for ways, to make money online so I can stay at home and do some more one-on-one with her and not leave her hanging and feeling like she's an only child. That was my main reason for looking for something online, is because I wanted to spend more time with my daughter. So anyway, I am showing you my screen today. I want to talk to you a little bit today about scams and what scams are, and is the program that I'm involved with a scam. Just give you some details about what to look for, how our program is working out, and why people think it's a scam. So anyway, I am sharing my screen. I'm so excited that this business is simply amazing. It is a task-based program, and it is something completely different. So in the past, if you've come across programs, how are you going to define what is a scam? Basically, how people get scammed is they have a person that creates a program. And in this program, they are not looking out for the people. They're just looking for the income to come in. They may go ahead and pay out a few $100s or whatever the program consists of here and there. But ultimately, their main goal is just to get your income so that they can run off with it and use it for another program or keep it to themselves or that sort of thing. So coming online back in 2007, I did some programs and I was scammed, yes. The owners to take off with my money, and I learned a hard, valuable lesson. Due diligence. Thank you. So, having been online and learning, that you're not going to get rich overnight. You're just going to throw your money out there, hoping you're going to get hundreds of thousands of dollars. Being really naive to the online world really got me. And so I started studying programs and picking things up here and there as I go along, and really getting more knowledgeable of what it is that these programs have to offer. So a scam is somebody that just is in it for the money. It's going to take your money and they're going to run, and they're not going to look back. They're not going to, they use different names. You don't know who the owner is. They're not transparent at all. And so with people doing this and getting away with it, a lot of people are skeptical about programs nowadays. And I can certainly relate and understand with that. So anyway, the program, that I got involved with, been following my mentor for about a couple of years now, was approached to join the program. And this is something completely different that's not ever been done before. It is a task-based program where you can earn while you learn. And people that have never made a dime online are finally starting to make money and see the real potential. The owner of the program is very transparent. She holds nothing back. She tells you like it is, and she is willing to share her experiences and what she's learned for all of us that are involved with this program absolutely free. And do you know why that is? It's because she wants us to succeed. She is not in it for the money. She is in it to help us grow as a person, grow as a company, and to just support us and show us, that you can make money online. So this is this is our Facebook group. It is Successful Solution Method, and this group here is basically where we can come. We can post our income proof. We can boost each other up. We can motivate each other. We can add support. We can, just all different kinds of things. And this group here was created by Amanda Ray. She is the six-figure creator of the program, and she is the one that is willing to put her life on the line to help all of us succeed online. So with that being said, I'm going to show you some income proof here. These are just people posting their proof. We get these banners when we get a payment. And in doing the posting, everybody can see how successful everybody's being, how they're earning, if they're struggling, things like that. But yeah, this one here is from Booker Williams. He joined a while ago. On September 7th, he posted that he had earned 500 here, 100 here, and $50 here from just doing a simple task. Now you may be asking what the tasks are. If you want to go into those details, you can get back with me and I'll be happy to do another video on it. But today's topic is successful solution a scam? And we're going to stick to that. So I want to just show you income proof that, it's not a scam. People are actually making money posting their income proof. And I'm just going to scroll for a little bit. Not only does this program generate an income for you by doing these tasks, it helps generate comments, engagement. It helps with every aspect of any kind of business that you could think of. So here's Don Jr. He earned $150 that day and $50, so a $200 day for him. And that was 19 hours ago. You look there, it says Tuesday, September 8th. So anyway, back to the income proof. Here's Eric Peterson, shared 52 minutes ago. Looks like he is raking in the money. Buster, he's a fairly new member. He has made $850 right there, and it's showing how his engagement has increased. Here is some more engagement. This is a lady that I brought in personally. She just contacted me yesterday on September 8th that she had just earned her first ever $150 online with this program. And she was so excited, she wanted to share it, and was hesitant at first, but realized, you just follow the steps laid out for you and you can generate an income. And so she wanted to share that with me, and I'm so excited for her. So congrats, Anne. You're doing awesome, girl. Here is some more. Don again, 150 and 50, so $200 day for him. We also, with this program, are going to be having a special guest. Mindset training for all SSM members, and this is something we take very seriously to help your business grow. So yeah, we have all kinds of exciting things, but The people, that think this is a scam, well, here is payment proof. $250 earned by Rhonda. Mary Beth, she generated $150 12 hours ago. Cheryl had a $450 day there. And it just goes on and on and on and on. 250 there. This person here generated some income while they were out swimming and having fun. So it doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing. You never know when you're going to get a payment notification because it's just going to pop up. But it does pay, and it is an awesome program to generate an income and to change your life totally. And it's not so much about the income. Here's Marcy. Way to go, Marcy. 15 hours ago, she got $50. It's not about the income, it's about helping people and showing them, that you can earn online and get all these naysayers out of here because we're showing them, income is being made. This is not a scam. Here's another gal, Kelly. She made $250. Just keep scrolling a little bit more. We'll do one more. And here's the gal, $150 on September 2nd. And it just goes on and on, 250 there. So yes, this program does work and it is generating an income. It is not a scam by any means. I'm going to take you over here now to my back office and give you a little tour of that. So I have generated $2,900 plus an additional $250 that was paid out to another processor. But this is my iDev account, and if you see up here, let me get this up here. If you see here, this is my name. That's me, yipper, Mary Svatolinka, generating $2,900, actually $3,150 to be exact. But anyway, yes, so my back office, my commissions paid, I'm going to show you that. August 28th, $50, August 28th, $150, August 28th, $150, August 28th, $50, and it just goes on and on. 50, 50, 250, 50, 500, and another 50. We go to the next page. 50, 150, 250, 50, 150, 150, 150. And that is my income proof. Payment. This is my invoice, and this is what has been paid out to my processor and gone directly into my bank account. So as you can see, 500, 300, 550, 50, 400, 600, 500. If you click on the invoice, it'll show you exactly what date, what commission type, and what the amount was. Here is me, an affiliate. And yeah, so does this program work? Is it a scam? It is not by any means a scam. As you can see, all the income payment proof. Our Facebook group, look at there, more income proof. She has generated $1,250, $1,000 commission there. So yeah, SSM is not a scam by any means. it does pay out. It does do what it says it's going to do. The owner is taking her referrals personally and throwing them back into the program, and is not getting any payment right now for the first 90 days because she wants us all to succeed. So every time she gets a sign up, what does she do? She throws it back into the company and she pays out members with it. So where do you know of a owner that is so transparent and open and willing to just give her income away to people that have joined her program? So if you think this is a scam, hopefully this video shows you a little bit of proof that it is not. It is transparent. People are getting paid if you follow the tasks. And we just hope that, you're able to generate, your income. And SSM is not scam by any means. So I want to thank you for joining. If you want to know more about this, I'll link it down below, and I'll be happy to give you any information that you need on this program, help you out in any way to get you started. So thank you for joining my video, and if you'd like, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I look forward to uploading another video for you. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.